When we first started working with the victim advocate, they explained to us that there were programs available if we needed compensation, if we needed assistance paying for our relatives' final expenses. They were very kind about that.
The victim compensation program was a big help to my family. And we didn't know it existed, and we were pleasantly surprised to learn about it and then to see how well it worked. We were not prepared for the financial impact this had on us. We had this emotional stuff to deal with, this legal stuff to deal with, and then there are costs.
They encouraged us, to fill out the applications, even if they, we didn't know if we were going to need to use that. And I felt that had we needed it, would have been there for us at a time when you don't want to be thinking about, how you're going to pay for something.
We understand this is a difficult time for you and your family, and we are here to help. A claims examiner will work with you throughout the process to get the necessary information to process your claim. You can find eligibility information and office hours on our website, or you can contact the Office of Victim Services.
If you are a family member of a person who is a victim of a crime, it's important for you to understand the definition of relative, so it's better to ask us. The definition of relative is spouse, child, sibling, parent, aunt, uncle, niece, nephew, grandchild, in-law, and half-sibling. But the main requirements are that the incident occurred in Connecticut and the crime is eligible for victim compensation. To obtain victim compensation, you need to have reported the crime to the police, cooperated with the police investigation, and provided all the needed information requested by the Office of Victim Services. You cannot have been the cause of the incident or have done anything illegal that caused the incident. Your application should be submitted within 2 years of the date of incident, but a waiver may be granted if applying for compensation more than 2 years after the incident. Victims of domestic violence, sexual assault, and human trafficking may also request compensation, even if they don't report the crime to the police. If a victim of these crimes already has been granted a restraining order or a civil protection order, or if a victim tells certain professionals. For a list of statute-approved professionals, please contact the Office of Victim Services. If a victim tells OVS who they told, OVS will follow up with that person.
So the OVS was able to compensate us for funeral expenses, for lost wages, the time we were in court, for some related medical expenses. And we just had to provide the routine documents showing those out-of-pocket costs, and we were reimbursed very quickly for them.